Howdy, folks! Seabrook, Texas is a hidden gem on the Texas coast. With its charming atmosphere and access to Clear Lake, it's no wonder people are flocking here. This vibrant community offers a fantastic lifestyle. Enjoy great schools and parks, plus easy access to all the fun on Clear Lake. Thinking about making Seabrook home? Whether you're buying, selling, or looking to invest, understanding the market is key. The current median list price of $408,745 and a median price per square foot of $164 indicate that prices remain relatively stable, providing a predictable market for potential buyers. With 54% of listings experiencing price reductions, buyers have leverage to negotiate deals, particularly in the higher-priced quartiles. With inventory sitting at 108 homes and a market action index of 30, the market leans slightly towards sellers. This means competition for well-priced properties might still be high. Buyers should act decisively on homes with price reductions, but be prepared to move quickly, as the median days on market is 98 days, showing a reasonably active market. With an average of 124 days on market, sellers must price strategically and stage their homes effectively to stand out. If you've been considering selling, now is a favorable time. Homes in Seabrook are holding steady in pricing and low inventory works in your favor. High rental demand, reflected in a median rent of $2,850, makes Seabrook an attractive location for buy and hold strategies. Additionally, properties in the lower quartiles offer faster turnover and potential for value-add opportunities. If you are thinking of buying in Seabrook, text David Gloger at 713-504-5475. He can show you how to pay your home off in 7-10 years and help you build your net worth. Seabrook's real estate market is full of opportunities, but it's important to know the ins and outs. That's where David comes in. Let's break down the latest trends and insights. We'll cover what buyers, sellers, and investors need to know. Seabrook offers a mix of single-family homes and condos. You'll find everything from cozy starter homes to luxurious waterfront properties. The median home price in Seabrook is holding steady. This indicates a stable and predictable market. Whether you're looking for a dream home or a smart investment, Seabrook has something for everyone. Let's dive deeper into the specifics for buyers, sellers, and investors. Knowing the market inside and out will help you make the best decisions. Buyers, listen up. Seabrook's market has some great opportunities. Right now, it leans slightly in your favor. Why? Well, we're seeing something interesting. Homes in Seabrook are generally selling below the asking price. This means you have a bit of an edge when it comes to negotiations. Don't get too excited just yet. While there are opportunities, there are also challenges. One thing to keep in mind is the low inventory. There aren't as many homes for sale in Seabrook compared to other areas. This means you might face some competition for those dream homes. Here's the good news. Many sellers are reducing their prices. This gives you, the buyer, more leverage. You might be able to snag a fantastic deal. But be prepared to act fast. With low inventory, homes that are priced right tend to sell quickly. Attention sellers, the Seabrook market has some perks for you too. The big one? Low inventory. This is a seller's dream. With fewer homes on the market, your property is more likely to stand out. This gives you a bit of an advantage when it comes to pricing. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Even with low inventory, you still need to be strategic. Buyers are looking for good value. Pricing your home competitively is key to a quick sale. Overpricing can lead to your listing sitting on the market for longer than you'd like. Here's a pro tip. Staging is your secret weapon. A beautifully staged home is more appealing to buyers. It helps them envision themselves living there. Consider professional staging to make your property shine. If you are considering selling your home, text David Gloger at 713-504-5475. David uses the Home Boss selling system, which has great benefits no other agent offers. Section 4, Investors Corner. Why Seabrook is a smart choice. Investors, Seabrook is calling your name. Why? This market is ripe with potential for those looking to grow their portfolio. Here's the inside scoop. Seabrook has a high rental demand. People love living here and they're willing to pay for the privilege. This high rental demand makes Seabrook perfect for buy and hold strategies. You buy a property, rent it out, and watch your investment grow over time. It's a solid long-term approach. Plus, property values in Seabrook are holding steady. Looking for a bonus? Seabrook offers opportunities for value-add investors. You can find properties that need a little TLC, fix them up, increase their value, and reap the rewards. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Seabrook has something to offer. If you are looking to start investing in properties, call or text David Gloger at 713-504-5475. He has access to many off-market properties that are well below market value. Section 5. Navigating the future trends and predictions for Seabrook's market. So what does the future hold for Seabrook's real estate market? Well, no one has a crystal ball. But by looking at current trends, we can make some educated predictions. One thing is for sure, Seabrook is a hot spot. People are drawn to its charm and lifestyle. This high demand means that property values are likely to remain strong. However, there's another trend to watch out for: low inventory. If inventory continues to shrink, we could see prices start to climb. This means buyers might need to act quickly to secure their dream homes. The good news is that Seabrook's market is relatively stable. We're not seeing huge swings in prices. This stability is great news for both buyers and sellers. It allows for more predictable planning and less risk. Whether you're buying your first home, selling your current one, or adding to your investment portfolio, Seabrook is a market worth watching. Keep an eye on those trends, and you'll be well on your way to making smart real estate decisions. Interested in diving deeper into what these numbers mean for your specific real estate goals in Seabrook, Texas? 77586. Contact David Gloger for a personalized market analysis and expert guidance. Drop your zip code in the chat, and David will send it to you. Let's navigate this dynamic market together.